All right, Mark, the Beta Tech Skiing here. Come to you from Integrate 2025. I've found another likely candidate for a hot minute. Let's go and have a look and see if we can surprise him and tap him on the shoulder. Come on, let's go. G'day, Brian.
Oh, Mark, good to see you.
How are you?
Good.
Fancy meeting you here.
Yeah, the bearded tech.
Mate, it's good to see Auroz here.
Mhm.
Tell us, we got a little game called the Hot Minute,
Oh, yeah?
right? And you've got a minute to tell us why people need to come and see you. So, you keen to play?
Yeah, sure.
Let's do it. All right, I'm going to press go, and let's get amongst it. All right. Start. There we go. Brian, tell us why people need to come and see you.
Auroz is a distributor of, let's say, audio and video UC, Unified Communications. For the AV market, I think the Heckler and the Kandau is going to be the highlights for us.
Yeah.
Heckler, of course, you're familiar with. They have amazing new products coming out all the time.
Beautiful engineering.
Yeah. We have the lectern, we have the credenza, we have a new initiative with Microsoft called Express Teams Install.
Yep.
So quite a few things I think most integrators will be interested.
Nice. Yeah. Yep.
And the Kandau, amazing 360-degree cameras and virtual reality and all this new type of stuff, which is really fascinating.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And so where are you hanging out, mate, at the show?
A27, as you come in the entrance,
Hang
take
a
the left and we're on the wall.
All the way to the end, yeah, you can't miss it.
Yeah.
So for those coming down for Integrate 2025, make sure you get in and say g'day to Brian and his team at Auroz. It's great to see you guys here, and there's Heckler's such a great brand. It's great to see and great to know who's representing it in Australia. So
Sure.
kudos to you. Thanks for spending a hot minute with Mark. Appreciate it.
Okay.
See you next time.
See you later.